tell one more thing. Recently, maybe not recently, about 5 months back, the government of India announced a major reform in the space sector. ISRO, only one person and only one organization was carrying out these activities, space activities. When I am talking space activities, it's building rocket, building satellite, launching the satellite, and providing the space-based system, only done by ISRO. But having the potential applications, just like what we have seen in the Northeast region, just ISRO is alone is sufficient to do the job. I am saying no, ISRO is not sufficient. The data availability is so huge, the wealth of information available is so huge, and the type of application need is so huge, just 17,000 people of ISRO alone cannot do. Why not make use of that entire country, youngsters, to get involved in the space applications, this space area, so that each and every human being of this country is contributing for this high-tech area, so that the benefit is available for the entire region, entire benefit. Always this is the benefit to reach the people in a very easily manner with the lowest cost. With that intention, this opening of the space sector for common public is there. When I am telling common public, it is not only for the big industries like Tata, Birla, or L&T, or Godrej, not like that. Anybody, any single individual also can contribute. And any academic institution can contribute. I want only your brain. That whole muscle power is with me. You please give your brain, and using your brain, I will make use of my muscle power to make the system beautiful. This is the situation now we are in the job. I want this particular institute should send this message across the northeastern region, and please be part of ISRO. We are there. We have a mechanism called INSPACE, Indian National Promotional and Authorization Center, Space Promotional and Authorization Center. We are there to help you through that mechanism. I want each and every one of you here sitting here, you should contribute for the building the new technologies, and ISRO is open to you all. ISRO is not ISRO now. I want the entire country should be ISRO. You come with the idea, you make use of our ISRO's facility and on the free of charge, and then you get benefited. That is the aim of the space reform. And this initiative by Government of India is an excellent initiative, and it is available to you, the door is open to you. I want this institute should come forward to spread this message and enthuse people. You need not come to Bangalore. In a doorstep that our friend, that is Raju, is opened the shop and is waiting for customer. And please come there. You come and make use of the opportunity. And by this process, not only the technology development will happen, and definitely the entire region should grow. That is our aim, and I am sure that the excellent the way the initiative done by this institute will definitely take it to take that technology to a very greater height. And from that audience here, why not become, all of you become that C.V. Raman, Einstein? Is it impossible? Einstein is not came from the heaven. Raman was not come from heaven. There are also studies like institutes like this only. They also did the research like this only. The rich culture, the rich information this particular institute is made, and definitely it can give a very strong foundation for all of you to grow, at the same time make India to grow and ensure that India is the super powerhouse in the few years to come. That is my dream. I am sure that all of you will come forward and do the things and ensure that, and it is making the India number one in the world. Thank you very much for the opportunity given to me. Thank you.